Allstate Appliance Insurance features, strengths, weaknesses. Allstate Appliance Insurance, technically a protection plan administered by Asurion, provides coverage for major appliances like refrigerators, ovens, washers, dryers, and dishwashers, regardless of their age or where they were purchased. Key features include coverage for mechanical and electrical failures resulting from normal wear and tear, power surges, and even accidental damage in some cases, although this varies by plan. A significant strength lies in its broad eligibility, accepting appliances irrespective of their purchase date, a benefit absent in many manufacturer warranties or extended warranties tied to specific retailers. This makes it ideal for homeowners with older appliances or those who purchased appliances secondhand. Another advantage is the streamlined claims process managed by Asurion, known for its extensive network of qualified technicians. You can typically schedule repairs online or via phone. The plan often covers the cost of parts and labor, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on unexpected repairs. However, it's essential to understand the plan limitations. Pre-existing conditions are never covered, and cosmetic damages are typically excluded. There's usually a deductible per claim, which can erode the financial benefit for minor repairs. Furthermore, coverage may not extend to commercial use appliances or appliances used in rental properties, so carefully review the terms and conditions to confirm your eligibility. One of the biggest weaknesses lies in the cost versus the potential savings. The monthly premium, combined with the deductible, might not be worthwhile if your appliances are relatively new and already covered by a manufacturer's warranty, or if you're diligent about preventative maintenance, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns. Moreover, Allstate's appliance protection plans aren't available in every state, making it inaccessible to some. Finally, replacement options are not always guaranteed. While Allstate may offer a replacement appliance if repairs are not feasible, they often reserve the right to provide a cash settlement instead, and the amount may be less than the actual replacement cost. In conclusion, Allstate Appliance Insurance offers a valuable safety net for homeowners concerned about the unexpected costs of appliance repairs, particularly those with older or out-of-warranty appliances. However, a thorough evaluation of your existing coverage, appliance age, and risk tolerance is crucial to determine if the benefits outweigh the costs and limitations. It's best to directly compare the premiums and deductibles against your potential repair expenses before committing to a plan.